Hi, my name's Ben and I'm going to be showing you what I've been working on. So this time it's a commission that I did for a customer who wanted himself drawn in a sort of Dragonball style. So we started with a sketch, added a few accessories and other bits and pieces that he wanted put on there, and it was supposed to sort of give a sort of vague resemblance to himself. So he sent me some photos which I kind of referenced. And so we've got his kind of expression, his glasses and little goatee beard and stuff going on in that. So I started to click, changed a few little bits here, changed the positioning of the arm. What else did we do? Yeah, we added a sword in there. Started to refine the lines. And usually at this sort of stage I'd send it to the customer, make sure they're kind of happy and stuff. And a few more refinements and changes, and we're at the final line stage now. So again, I think I sent this version to the customer, maybe the cropped version like that, and he sent back his feedback, just say he was happy for me to proceed with the colouring. Once we get to the line art stage, it's normally a case of everyone's happy, and it's very rare that halfway through the colouring stage or at the colouring stage people will say, oh, I don't like this anymore. So as long as we kind of get the original drawing down, I'm quite confident we're good to go with the colours. So working out what the colours would look like, I did like a sort of anime cell style flat colour combo just to work things out. So we're at that stage there, and this was the final colour stage. This was after I'd rendered all the colouring from the previous stage, and also added a sort of photo background using a few photo elements. So yeah, just added some special effects, sort of tied it all together, and also supplied a cropped version. He wanted it in a sort of vertical portrait style, as well as a square version. And just for fun, I started playing around with one without a background. I thought that looked quite, that would make a good sort of t-shirt or something. And one on a sort of just black and white with the Thanos gauntlet jewels just showing through. So they weren't part of the brief, I just wanted to do it for fun. I thought it might be quite a good little effect, so I just wanted to play around with that. So yeah, customer's really happy and I was happy, so yeah, it worked out pretty well. So yeah, thanks for checking it out, and if you want to see more of my artwork you can go to benkrefter.com.